Okay. Hey guys, today we're here. Oh, I just want to put my iPad on. Hey guys, today we're gonna do a physics, not crash course. We're gonna watch me do physics while I get upset. Right. I think I'm recording. Right. Ignore that. Okay. Right. Well, I did use. Right now I'm doing that. Keep in mind, I have not done this, and I don't remember anything. So go with the flow. So when I say, don't know how you're looking at me right now. When I say something stationary, I mean it's like my calc. It's like that, right? It's not moving, not anything. So you would say the velocity is 0, right? When they say the target ball has a mass of 0.17 kilograms, this real like not heavy at all, right? Oh shit. Right. When you both collide, travel together, the target ball has a mass. Okay, I know you. I got you. Right. Wait. Okay. Holy mass. Oh. Is this one is like M1, V1, something so dumb. Okay, well we have the initial and we have the A B C D E F G H I Q R S T U. Okay, U is initial. So U. And then we have V, which is the velocity trying to find now, and we don't know it. So it cut. Okay. To find the other one, do we multiplier? Is it equal to something? I don't know, we have to find out. I don't know guys, I'm sorry. Where is it? Where is it? Team. I don't know. Wait, how do I do that? What's it called? What's it called? Draw and sketch map. Okay. We're gonna yeah. No. Sure. No. White. Why make it white? Please. Okay. Well, whatever. Right. I can't erase it. Deal with it. Oh no. Bro. All I'm trying to do is this little thing. Okay. We'll make you white. So I could. That's not white. I would know what white is. White. This is what I'm doing. So studying for my physics test. Why am I even doing this? Okay. I don't want to do shapes. I want to do pencil. That's not what I want to do. Well, boy, that's not what I want to do. That's not what I want to do. I really wasted time of my life. 0 point. That. Who? This is the initial. Is it U? Yes. Mass. I saw somewhere that momentum is the product of velocity and mass, but they want me to find the other velocity after the thing. But isn't it equal? Aren't you not equal? It says equals moment. Okay. That's a hint, right? So that is not like which is 0. It's 0. You had to be 0. Nah. Oh, because they tell me that from before. I feel like I got a second chance at that. I fed up to this drawing thing. I'm not Picasso. Okay. Never mind. I understand why though. Because the moment. Okay, the momentum on the target ball is 0 because this multiplied by the 0 here is 0, and the momentum of the cue ball is this, and I got that right before. Right, so therefore the velocity is equal to momentum. Really easy. I did wrong. I never say that. I got that. Okay. I did not get that in mind. 0 for me. 0 for me. Whatever. I just thought. I'll have some momentum of that. Okay, cool. Calculating. Guys, I'm sorry to say, but I'm not doing that. Stripness. So I have to do it in my book. Here we go. Calculate the mass of the owl. So we have the momentum. Well, capital M there. 5.04 kgms. Right. The owl. The speed is 3. I've recognized what I have to do. Okay, so mass is equal. I swear it was the other way around. No, I'm right. Momentum divided by the speed, which is the velocity, right? Brilliant. So therefore, mass is equal to 5.04 divided by 3.6. Calc. Oh. 5.04. What's this nastiness on my calculator? 3.6. 1.4. Please will it be right, because I'm really embarrassing myself right now. Mass is equal 1.4 kg. I can't upload. Yes! Brilliant. The principle of conservation of momentum. Well, is that not the same thing when they if I get this wrong, I'm looking at the video. Total. Well, I can only remember what the thing they say, 'cause I didn't get to study. Well, on this, the GCSE, whatever it's called, yeah, it says the total momentum before the collision is equal to the total momentum after the collision. Right. The owl is hunting a mouse on the forest floor. Okay, I can do that. So the owl is hunting mouse is okay. So yeah, it's right. We had to divide that. It'll make it so kilograms. So 35 divided by 1,000 is equal to that. If you're smart, all you have to do is just watch it and just convert it. But if you're like me and math isn't your strong suit, use your calc. Right. Okay, by 1,000 was equal to 0.035 kilograms. Okay, and the velocity is 2 ms. Calculate the speed of the owl. The owl swoops down as they fly off together, but you never tell me about that. You never mentioned that. I found the master owl. I'm stupid, dog. You see how, because these things are just so spaced out, I can't even like look at it properly, dog. I wonder if I'm just talking and my things music all the time. Whatever. Calculate the mass of the owl. So this we have 0.035 kilograms, and that's mouse. Okay. It wants what? The speed of both. Okay, easy. They told me that not so easy. Not so easy. I'm gonna get this wrong. The owl. Okay, so we have the mass of this. Why don't I just add it? Calculate the speed of the owl and mouse as they fly off together. Guys, I swear I'm not that slow. Like, maybe I am kind of off, but I'm not that slow. I'm not using my full capacity right now because I am putting it into you guys. So I have to take off my instrumental music. Like, you know. Okay, let me not get shut up. No. So the thingy is the speed is what's your speed? 3.6. Do I have to like add up the things? Because I don't think they would like make me do that. Do I do both the momentums? I'll just do that, and if it's wrong, it's wrong. Don't tell me anything. But they're asking for the speed, so it's the let me just see the answer. Oh gosh. You lie. Nah. No, I have to stop, dog. At a real stop. No. Where have I been in my box? Mind you, the exam is soon. And I don't know shit. Okay, guys. Quick. Study. I'm gonna timer. We're staying up the whole like night. So it's gonna be a very hard time. I'll put the timer. Let me see. Where's my focus app? Right. Download this app called Focus Friend. It's for people who struggle like me to pay attention. I would say 15 minutes. Right. So it'll take 15 minutes to say this because obviously I don't know shit. Right. I'm gonna try to make sure that I'm looking great. Yeah, I am. Right. No loss. So we're still doing momentum questions because me too. I don't feel to get my photo. Okay. Of course, I didn't write anything. The momentum of force water pivot is the product of the force and the perpendicular distance from the point to the line to the actual force. The momentum of force point is the product of the force on perpendicular distance from the point to the line of action at the pivot. And after the force. The moment of a force point is the moment of a force. The moment of a force about a pivot is the product of the force and the perpendicular distance of its line of action. Whatever. It's the same thing, dog. The moment of a force about a point is the product of the force and perpendicular distance from the point to the line of action of the force. The moment of a force about a point is the product of a force and perpendicular distance about a point of its line of action. Whatever. What's the equation of moments of a What's the equation of a moment? It's force multiplied by perpendicular distance. As well as this equation, the sum of anti-clockwise moments is equal to the sum of clockwise moments. When I was doing this before I was recording, I was getting it real right. So I feel me recording it is blighting myself. I feel so. I think it's not me farting, it's the chair. Okay. The principle of moment states what system should be. What's system like? is equal to the sum of anti-clockwise moments by compounds. The second law states for a system. The sum of forces in one direction is equal to the sum of forces in the opposites. Okay. The first law, the first law of moments states for a system and equal the sum of clockwise moments is equal to the sum of anti-clockwise moments about a given point. The second law states for a system equivalent. The sum of forces in one direction is equal to the sum of forces in another direction. Well, it's the exact opposite direction. Gosh, just stupid. The second sum of forces in one direction is equal to sum of forces in the exact opposite direction. Yeah. So let's see two laws or principle of moments for systems to be in equilibrium. One must be the sum of anti-clockwise moments must be equal to the sum of clockwise moments, and the second one is that forces in one direction must be equal to something the exact opposite direction. Yeah, the sum of forces in one direction must be equal to sum of forces in the exact opposite direction. You see, I got it done. I got it back. I swear I'm not done. I swear I'm not done. I be doing good. Just struggling tonight. The sense of mind you, I'm doing this topic. When I have a different physics like exam, I can't speak. Okay. The sense of gravity is a single point which the weight appears. The sense of gravity is a single point through which the weight appears to act. You guys want to see my face right now? Look at me. I can't think it. Never mind. I haven't. Go back and oh, you guys can see. 18. 18. Oops. Moments clockwise. Determine this. A body. Wait. A body is uniform in the sense of gravity and bodies. One I do it like a before. I remember this one time in physics, I was real oral cutting up the answer to a question, and I performed this move, and Miss Blackman was impressed, and I think it was alright. Unfortunately, I have my author. Ooh, that's not how you do it, bro. This is not gonna balance because this is not a flat surface. This is fairly flat. Fuck. I mean, oh crap, sorry. What? You get the gist, right? You get the gist. You get the gist. This one do it, do it because this is all. You know, I'm done. Whatever. Ah, bad example, but who cares? The center of gravity is in the middle, like in the middle. A reaction force always acts as a. Oh, let me see my timer. How did I am 2 minutes? 6 seconds. Okay, well, I'm not gonna do it. Do actually do energy. I haven't started that. Let me look at the other ones. Total momentum is something would be is equal some soon. Total. Oh gosh, I know what to say, but I look at it on my account. I will say I hope Chantal is about magical see this. I wanted to know that I'm dumb. Yeah, I want to think already. Something with total momentum is total momentum before the collision is equal to the total momentum after the collision. Okay. Okay, that's that. You multiply this and that's calculatorily A. So, oh, that's what I said. Multiply this and that. And just the question like this. Boy pushes Charlie towards you. A 3 stationary Charlie's must go. Uncle pushes Charlie and that's all deal. This is actually easy questions. I'm getting them wrong. Oh gosh, actually. Back to work. Back to work. Well, momentum. Oh gosh, type. You know what I mean. Momentum equals mass multiplied by velocity. This is 1.4 multiplied by 20. 1.4 multiplied by 20. Which is 28 kg ms minus 1. Boom. A boy pushes trolley A towards a 3 stationary. Velocity of 0. Velocity of 0, by the way. On conclusion. How to say collision? I just said when I was saying collision. On collision, trolley A next to the other trolleys, and they all move off together. Calculate speed and choice after. Okay. I have an idea. I might be wrong. Okay, the boy pushes that. So their momentum, as I worked it out in my brain like a genius, is 28. Trolley A, calculate speed. It should be equal, right? So before the collision, so before is that, and it should equal to it, right? Right? The mass. Are they all the same masses? Are we all the same masses? I'm gonna know. Okay, so I'm gonna say they're all the same. So what's 20? What's 5 by 3? So 60 kg. But it's 3. If it's wrong, then it doesn't make any sense. Calculate speed. Okay. Well, they should be equal, right? So what do I multiply that to get? Bro. Why can't I think? Do I divide it? 28. I don't know. 28 divided by 6. That doesn't make any sense. That doesn't make any sense. I feel like a freaking crazy person. I don't know. I don't know. Tell me. How is it 4? I was meant to add everything up. Okay, no. Okay, thank you. Okay, I was wrong, as per usual. So I have to say it's 4. What she say? 4 times 20, because everything's added up together apparently, so 80 of that. So it's 80 kilograms. Now I find the speed. So I have the total momentum from before, and I have that. Am I right now to divide that? Well, I'm a real retard, dog. I don't want to post this no more. What if Zara sees this and realizes how stupid I am? And that's for some reason, she's gonna say. Yay, I got that right! I got it right! I didn't write it down, but it's on my calc right now. Boom. You see, when you doubt yourself, you get nowhere in life. Brilliant. It truly comes to rest. That's when you lose me. No forces. Some do a Newton. Newton's very slow. Some slow. Bitch. Yeah, Newton. Newton! If I say it's Newton, you know what I mean. I didn't need to explain it. Thank you. Thank you so much. Next question. Alright, whatever. A cat is trying to fly in air rifle. She loves the rifle with a pellet. I know what that is. When fired, it hurt. Cool. Kinetic energy. Okay. Cool. I can do that. The mass. We don't have the mass. So mass equals question. Oh gosh, like I'm feeling real dumb. Like I so bad. Or like it's what 10 p.m. Like my brain, my nuts maximizing. It's really caffeine though. That's what because of it. Caffeine will work on people like me. Like it's like giving energy, not brain power. She knows. Okay, I'm trying to find that. I can't lie. I can still feel that. How does one find the mouse with this? Where do you get that? What's the answer? Nah. Wicked. So wicked. Real wicked. Crazy. Diabolical. Alright, no. Next video. Cool, I quit. So, if you're smart and you have the mental something,